In an age swallowed by myth and dust, the world was not merely shaped by mortal ambition, but carved, scorched, and blessed by the will of ancient spirits and forgotten gods. From wind-swept steppes to sun-drenched deserts, every land bore witness to these celestial forces. Through forbidden rites and ancestral oaths, warriors of old unlocked a perilous secret: to call upon the land's most feared and revered legends. This sacred act, whispered across generations as the last invocation, grants one final aid in turning the tide in battles.